In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Salesforce developer account. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to the Salesforce developer registration page by entering developer.salesforce.com/signup in the address bar. This will take you to the official signup form where you can create your practice environment. Make sure the page has fully loaded before you begin, so all fields and options are visible. Next, fill in the registration form with your standard profile information in the identity fields provided on the page. This usually includes basic details such as your name, your contact information, your role, and other profile-related information requested by the form. Take a moment to enter everything carefully and accurately, since this information will be used to create your account. If a field is required, be sure not to leave it blank, or the form may not let you continue. After that, create a unique login identifier. This should be formatted like an email address, even if it is not your actual email inbox. The important part is that it must be unique in Salesforce's system. In other words, it needs to look like an email address and not already be in use. A good tip here is to use a format that is easy for you to remember while still being distinct enough to avoid duplication. Double check the spelling before moving on, because this login identifier will be important when you access your practice org later. Once all of your information is complete and reviewed, scroll to the bottom of the registration form and click the Sign Me Up button. This submits your request and starts the account creation process. If any information is missing or incorrectly formatted, the page may prompt you to correct it before continuing, so just follow the on-screen messages if needed. Finally, open the verification welcome email that Salesforce sends to you. In that email, follow the instructions to set your password, which will become your secure entry key for the account. After your password has been created, use your new login details to sign in to your practice org. At that point, your Salesforce developer account will be ready to use. That's it. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to complete the registration process smoothly and access your new practice environment without any trouble.